an animal, gray and graceful, wild and attractable, proud and regal. But when a smile breaks across her face, she's suddenly affable as a daisy. And her eyes, her beautiful amber eyes, are telling us something wise across the divide between us.
How is it? How are you? How could it happen? Something so absolutely stunning appears from nothing. How do you move? Could what moves me move you too? Could I learn to move with you?
And her eyes, her glorious amber eyes, are telling us something wise across the divide between us.
Where'd she come from? She goes on in Chicago. That gives you 3 weeks to work up an act.
3 weeks might not be enough time, Augie.
Let me help. It may take 2 of us
Just to get her into a stall.
That's the spirit. And don't let me down now, you two. We're all gonna be eating sawdust so she starts to pay off.
And her eyes, her beautiful amber eyes,
on posters far and
telling me what's inside.
like lodestars in the dusty night sky.